Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JBL Bar 500 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this soundbar not connecting to Wi-Fi or not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if you're having any kind of other sound or functionality issues like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it, including all the pairing history and everything like that. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set this up, on a new system or whatever, you just want to get a fresh start like it's coming out of the box. We can do that quite easily. Now you can do this from the app. If you have the JBL One app, you can go to the support tile and select Restore Factory Settings on this soundbar. But you can also do it straight from the device. What we need to do is just find the volume down, volume up, and source buttons, and we're just going to press all three of those buttons at the same time until the LED light flashes on it. So you're going to have to hold it for more than 5 seconds until the LED light flashes, at which point you can go ahead and release the buttons and allow the unit to reset, and then go ahead and set it up as a new soundbar.